Hey there, this is Wendy with loveandstampin.com. I'm excited you're here with me today. I thought I would take you for a little bit behind the scenes, and then we're going to make a card that is another sneak peek for my Country Christmas Bingo. My Country Christmas Bingo event actually closes November 5th. So if you want to sign up for that, there are links below the video, and you want to make sure you get signed up before November 5th. All right? Let's go check out some stuff I have going on in my studio. So I am prepping for On Stage, which is in just a couple of days. And if you didn't see my Facebook Live showing you the reveal of all these goodies, you can go to my Facebook and check it out. But look at these pins. Aren't they cute? And they have different sets so you can trade them if you want. This is a brand new stamp set that's going to be available in the January through June mini catalog. They gave us stickers, this really cool gel pen. There's some really fun notebooks here to take notes. I just love the size of this one. This is great. I think I might throw this in my purse. This is great for like a quick note you need. This box was holding our center stage gift, which I'll show you in a second. And then there's this grid paper. And here, I'll grab these. This gift was for those of us who have achieved the title of Silver Elite and above. They do a special gift for those folks. And so we got this gift, and it's just a charm for your scissors. And then this part protects the tip of your scissors so that they don't get all bent and warped. So I thought that was really fun and cool. Kind of a unique gift. Let's put it that way. Thought it was a little different. I have received a few cards in the mail from people who are so kind and sweet. This is from Debbie Deshane, one of my team members. And this card was hand-drawn and colored by one of my customers, Cindy Rodman. I always want to say Rodman. And she made this card for me. And so I have these in here to just hang up and look at. And then I got a gift for my 10-year anniversary for with Stampin UP, which is coming up in November, late November. And I'll probably be running some sort of a special. However, well, I can't get this out of the bag. It's just some products. This was a return to sender. And then this is a Christmas present for my daughter I need to put away. But, anyway, what else do I have going on here before I get into that other stuff? Oh, look I'm already started cutting. This is stuff for my Country Christmas Bingo. I have my die cuts set out here because I know that my helper, Miss Deborah, is going to be here tomorrow. So I have these ready for her. These I need to work on getting prepped today for my make and takes for On Stage, because they gave us a whole list of cuts we need to have ready if we want to make the projects. And then these are the two stamp sets that I use to create the Country Christmas Bingo projects. So this one is free with the class. So when you pay the $50, you get $40 in product, plus you get this stamp set for free. And then this was an optional add-on, which it still is. So if you want to add that on, when you click the link to the sign up form, the option will be there. And it comes with dies that make all of these cute cutouts. So I have these sitting here. Yeah, so that's it. I've got candy here because I'm going to stuff candy into my bingo boxes. And yeah, I don't have much else to show at the moment. I've been working on some lighting stuff and filming stuff, trying to get a little bit better of a system. I'm very overwhelmed by that, so that's happening. And I think that's about it. So let's go and make a card. Okay, so last week I shared one of the 3D projects that is going to be in my Christmas bingo. I'm almost full. I don't have much room left, but I thought I would share one more project today and see if there's anyone else who would like to sign up before I close the signups. This is one of the cards that you will get if you are part of my Christmas bingo. You will get all the pieces to make this. The designer series paper, come on, adhesive. The designer series paper comes in a 6x6 pack, so you'll cut that yourself. But all the other pieces that are provided will actually be cut and provided for you. Okay, so you're gonna add your piece of real red here. Full disclosure, I was right in the middle of shooting this for you and somebody called me, and so I had to stop what I was doing and regroup. And so anyway, that's why the lighting might look different. I had to change up my lighting because it got dark in the meantime. Oh gosh, guys, I tell you. Okay, so we're gonna stamp these stockings. Anyway, so while I'm doing this, I just want to finish sharing that this is one of the bingo projects, and there will be so many fun things. You will not want to miss out on this bingo, and there is limited space left. So if you're interested, you're going to want to let me know. Actually, you don't have to let me know. You can just sign up. There's a link below the video. But time is running out. Time is running out. All right, so we're going to color these guys. Really simple. I'm using garden green and real red. And this is such a fun trick for getting different colors on your, I want to make sure there's enough ink on there, on your images. So this little guy here inks up. Oh, I did it the wrong way. Good grief. Inks up all three of these stockings. How cute is that? All right, so we're going to do it again 2 more times. So obviously you could change up the colors so that they were whatever colors you wanted them to be. And really, really simple stamping. I love simple cards and projects because no matter what level you are, they're quick and easy, fun to do, and give you a beautiful finished product. All right, so we're gonna get this put on here. Ta-da! And then I have this little die cut, and this is die cut from the little purse die, actually. Gosh, I cannot remember the name of that die set, but I found this little label and I was like, oh my gosh, it's the perfect size and it's perfect and I love it. So yeah, there you go. And this says, it's the best time of the year. So it's just a very simple, sweet, oh no, look what I did. I'm going to show you how to fix that. I must have it on my hands somewhere. Okay. We're going to fix that. We're going to try. I may not be able to. That's a pretty big mark, but I'm going to try. Okay. So we're going to add this little sentiment here. And then let's try to fix that. We're going to use this is a mono eraser, and it's kind of like sand, like it has sand in it. Oh, I did it too hard. Now I made a boo-boo. Stampin' Up! Doesn't sell those. That's just a craft item I've gotten from years ago. I will see if I can find it on Amazon and link to it. So what I'm going to do to try to cover up this boo-boo is add some bubbles. When in doubt, add a bauble or an embellishment, whatever you like to call it. Everybody calls it something different. There we go. Cute. Okay, so full disclosure, normally I would not add those right there. That looks a little weird, but I had to mess up and I had to do it. So that's what happened. End of story. Now you could go in and you could color each of these if you wanted, or you could use the stamp like I did. Don't forget, when you sign up for the Country Christmas, you get the Merry Hello stamp set completely free. So this is free with the purchase of the Country Christmas Bingo event. The event itself will be held on November 20th at 4 p.m. and you do have to have access to Zoom or to be able to log into Zoom, because we are going to do the event via Zoom. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you sign up for my Country Christmas. You only have until November 5th to sign up. So that's it. I hope you have an awesome day. Bye-bye.